fish, and he's decent. Nice. Nice big crappie, I think. Yep. Yeah, no, that's a slab. That's a slab. That is a big boy. Come here, you big dog. No. God darn it. Splashed the crap out of me. Wow. Well over a pound. That is a whopper topper. Oh, jeez. I'm such a retard. Man, he's big. I gotta hold on. He does not. He's gonna. This is just a pathetic display. All I was trying to do is measure you. Give a rough measure on you. And now I can't even get you. You're just. Oh, you are such a pain in the ass. Alright, fine. Just get out of my boat. Come here. Come here. I've got you now. Wow. That is a beauty. I'm not letting loose. He's longer than the tackle box. He's nice.